Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. This one's probably going to be a little shorter. I worked for IRS for a decade. I shoot my videos at home. My office is actually across the street. I do shoot videos over there, but if you want to see me in a coat and tie, you can go to my website at 777irs.com. You can see my whole team of former IRS agents. We have about 250 years experience, and many of you have probably seen me on national news. I have all my videos from my national news there. So I do these videos for 3 reasons: so you don't get ripped off, so you don't get the wrong information. I give you insider information from IRS, and I educate you. And today is one of those education videos. And today I need you to know that if you need to know what IRS is doing with you and you don't know what IRS is doing and where they are, the first thing I do and the first thing you need to do if you're going to do this by yourself, what the first thing a professional does is they pull up your IRS transcripts. That's a starting point. It does not alert IRS to anything. There's a back-end portal. They've had so many requests. Back in the day, you used to had to get them. You have to call the phone, and they get back with you. They send them to you by mail. Now, you can create your own portal and go in and get a whole bunch of information. Let me tell you the different things you can get. If you need a mortgage and need a record of your tax return, you can pull up your tax return transcript. If you want a tax account transcript that shows what's been on your tax return, you can pull that up. If you want your wage and income transcripts, which you've made for the last 6 years, you can pull that up and get that sent to you. But today, what I want to tell you about is your record of account transcript. It's your record of account transcript. We call that RAT, record of account. That tells you what you filed, what you haven't filed. It tells you every transaction that happened with every tax return. It tells you what your balances are, whether you've been audited. All the information you know is in one bundle for the 6 years on your record of account transcript. Every year, they will have all the information. It'll tell you your balance. More importantly, for us, it tells you what's filed, what's not filed, and your balances. And it helps us understand what you're saying you think your problem is, but you have to work really off the official IRS record to correct it. So if you want to do this yourself, you pull your record of account transcript up for yourself, lay it down, and you will find out exactly how IRS is going to work your case when they sent you your last bill. And you have to correct the record of account. It doesn't make any difference what you have. IRS is going, how do you find this? Just like I said, go to irs.gov, set up your portal, ask for your online transcripts, and you'll see there's 4 or 5 different transcripts. That's all you have to do to find your information. You want to know what your wage and income is for the last 6 years? Boom, hit the wage and income transcript. Anyway, thank you very much. By the way, if this information was good, I try to make it simple. Give me a subscription. We really thrive on that because that's important to YouTube, believe it or not. Anytime you look at a YouTube, if you hit a subscription, at least YouTube knows you like that person. So maybe you don't like me, but if you do, I'd appreciate a subscription. Thank you. I do my best.